Hey guys, as you see in the picture, Zepto is giving gift plus coupon. Interested? Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have ordered few items on Zepto, and we got a gift box. As you see in the picture, this is the gift box we have got from Zepto. And this is how the gift box is. It's a good packaging, right? And this is exclusively for binge watchers of cricket, especially to binge on snacks while watching the match, right? As you see in the picture, these are protein puffs, and this contain 60% less fat and 4 grams of protein, and this costs 10 rupees. The next product we have in the gift box is Beverages. This is a luxury chocolate. These are Divine Dark Minis from Beverages. As you see in the picture, it costs 175 rupees, and you can see it contains 65% of Ghana cocoa, which you all know. Ghana is famous for cocoa powder, and it is made of that cocoa powder, which tastes delicious, and you can have it without any calorie conscious and you all know dark chocolates is good for heart health, and you can have one every day. Okay, the next product we have is the Himalayan salt caramel popcorn. This tastes something different, and you need not worry of calories here, because this is also a calorie conscious pack filled with caramel and bit of salt that flavors the popcorn. It's unique, and you can enjoy this bites. Next we have this armrest from Ruswick. This costs 10 rupees, and you can have 2 bottles in the gift box. The next we have paper handkerchief from premium brand, and you can see here you have 15 pulls per 15 rupees only. It's nice. You can have this because it's gentle on skin, consciously harvested and biodegradable is the feature that stands out, right? As you see in the picture, you can use them on your skin. Moving on to the next product, we have this Colombian brew coffee. It's an instant coffee. You can try out. Price is not mentioned on the pack. The last product in the gift box is Viva. You all know. We'll see Virat sir on Shark Tank, right? You can see here, these are dips, and you can use it for dressing as well, for sandwiches. Here I'm having it with French fries. It tastes good, and that's all we have in the gift box. Okay, we'll see how to get this gift box. As you see in the picture, you can go to Zepto app, you can click on Zepto, and you can scroll down and check out the deals, and you have flash deals available, and you can give in the search bar as movie time box if you want gift box, right? So once you give in the search bar the name of the box, that is movie time box, this kind of screen appears before you, and you just add to the cart and go to cart and make sure that is the free gift or the movie time box is added to the cart. Once you confirm, you can go to coupons and apply the coupon. As shown in the picture, I'm applying credit coupon here. Once you apply the coupon, you can come down and you have free cash here. You select that free cash, 50 free cash. So once you select that, you can place your order After you place the order, while the order is yet to be delivered, you can click on the gift box as shown in the picture and have these coupons, and you can go to view more rewards and have coupons more. Here you can see I got to spin the wheel to win a coupon. Once I spin it, I got a coupon of My Glam 1 rupee product, and you can copy the coupon code. Likewise, you can go for more rewards. Here you can scratch and win also as shown in the picture. Foxtail coupon is available for me, so I'm copying that coupon and clicking on claim now. Once I does that, I'll be navigated to that website, and you can add products to the cart and go to bag or cart and apply the coupon which was previously copied and check out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.